Now I'm going to change my logging project to configure it to write logging events to the Windows event log. All right, so once again, I'm going to come up here into SSIS and logging. And here with the package selected, I'm going to select the SSIS log provider for Windows event log and add that to the list. Then I'm going to expand node here and select the data flow task because I want to log events for the data flow task. I need to select this to use this log provider for this particular task. And just keep in mind that if I have multiple tasks, a long list down here in a complex package, I can configure these to use different log providers and save different types of events to different locations for different tasks throughout the package. And so in this case, I'm going to log events both to the text files that I had configured previously, as well as now the Windows event log. And I'll go over to details, and I'll add a few additional items. I'll add on information, on post validate, on pre-execute, and on pre-validate. Okay, just randomly adding some additional events. And that completes configuration. I'll execute the package. It finishes doing its thing, executing successfully. And I'll end execution. All right, I'm going to use the Windows button here to go to the event viewer. View the event logs there. And I'll look at the Windows logs and application. As you can see, I have a number of events. I'll reduce that a little bit and widen this one. And they're all logged under the SQLIS package 120. As you can see, there's a number of informational messages. So I can scroll down here and you can see there's a lot of informational messages because I selected a lot of events even for that relatively simple package. Okay, come back up here and select one randomly and try to expand that. There we go. And there you can see the kind of information that is stored. And if you compare this to the log events window within SQL Server Data Tools, it's pretty much the same information. And if you find that the different log providers that I've been talking about are not enough, you can use custom logging. The most common way to do this is through the script task. And you can use the log method of the DTS object to extend logging using something like this. Just call the log method, you pass in some sort of message text as a string, data code as an integer, and then any kind of bytes that you want to include as information that's part of that log entry.